Hi friends, this video is specially made for professional students who were in old syllabus and now will be converted into new syllabus. We're gonna check single group wise exemption in this video. We'll create another video for those who have cleared two groups, so please check accordingly. Earlier we have only one open book paper, but now we have two, in which one is elective paper like earlier, but we have more options in new syllabus. We have 8 papers in new syllabus, which we used to have 5 papers in old syllabus, and we have one paper which is open book. It is multidisciplinary case study. These two open book papers are in mod 3. So let's begin. We'll first start with those who have cleared module 1. We'll talk about them and we'll check which paper they have to appear for or which module they have to appear for. Earlier in module 1 we had ACLP, company law, CRVI, corporate restructuring and due diligence. So for these three papers we have in new syllabus exemption from module 2. Yes, now we have only to write module 1 and module 3 in new syllabus, in which two will be elective papers, I mean to say open book papers, one of which will be elective and one will be open book multidisciplinary case study. The subjects are same. In first module we have ethics, advanced tax and drafting. More or less the content is same in mod 1, but mod 3 we have two different papers. One is corporate funding and listing in stock exchange and another is this open book paper. And now one more thing, suppose in these 6 paper if you have some exemptions in particular paper in your old syllabus, then that exemption will be carried forward. Like suppose if you have advanced tax exemption, then you'll get advanced tax exemption. So in mod 1 in new syllabus you'll only write 2 paper, that is ethics and drafting. Now we're gonna talk about those who have cleared mod 2 in old syllabus. So which paper we have to write now in new syllabus. The loss here is we have to appear for all 3 mods 1, 2 and 3. But yeah, we have some paper wise exemption. Suppose you are writing mod 1, then you don't need to write ethics of new syllabus. You will only need to write tax and drafting in new syllabus. If you talk about mod 2, you have to write all 3 papers, because all 3 papers are exempted accordingly old syllabus group 1 or mod 1. And in mod 3 you will get an exemption of corporate funding and listing in stock exchange. But more or less if you have cleared mod 2 in old syllabus, you have to appear for all the 3 modules and you have to write 7 papers in exams. And if accordingly in old syllabus in module 1 and module 3 if you have any paper wise exemption, then you will be allowed to carry forward it. Suppose in module 1 you have exemption under due diligence, so here you will get an exemption of paper 3, module 2 paper 3 as which is shown in the screen. So paper wise exemption will still be there, but this is just I'm saying you according to module. Now let's talk about those who have cleared their mod 3 in old syllabus. Guys, you have to write 6 papers, but the problem here is you have to appear for all 3 modules, that is 1, 2, 3 of new syllabus. And in module 1 you have only one paper, that is ethics, and in module 2 you have to write all 3 papers. And in module 2 you will be exempted from the open book elective paper, and the rest will still be there, that is corporate funding and listing and multidisciplinary case study. If you have exemption in a single paper from the other modules, you can check the specific paper, you will get the exemption. And we have attached the FAQ in the Telegram channel, you can check it from there. If you have any more queries, you can leave the comment below and we'll reply to it as soon as possible. And if you have any other query, just mention in the comment section, or if you want to ask anything else, you need any another video, please let us know. And stay tuned, we are gonna update videos on specific subject, as if what change are there for each subject, so that you are clear what extra you have to cover or what change is there in your subject. Thank you everyone.